Letter beep beep beep. Sound is beep beep. Let's go pop 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 pop. Like a bubble bubble bird and book book book. Boy says beep beep beep. It's for them, yay yay. Not for girl 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 girl. Starts with G G G. Listen close close close. Point to pictures pictures quick. It is for bag bag bag. It is for bird bird bird. B is for book and boy we. Letter B is super fun. Hands up high. Hands up. Clap clap clap. Feel the beat beat beat. Ready now. 3 2 1. Drop. Letter B. Hey hey hey. It's for book and boy. Letter B. Jump jump jump. It's for them them. All for letter B. Whoa, yay. Whoa. Hey hey. Bounce bounce. Yellow red red red. Blue is primary. Mix them up up. Magic colors colors come. Yellow plus red red red. Makes an orange orange bright. Red plus blue blue blue. Makes a purple purple wow. Yellow blue blue blue. Makes a green green green. Primary 3 3 3. Secondary fun fun fun. Say with me me me. Yellow and red make orange. Red and blue make purple. Yellow and blue make green. Final bill. Everybody now sing sing. Colors mix 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 mix. Letter beep beep bay. Here we go 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 go. Final drop out go. Letter B. Hey hey hey. It's for book and boy. Letter B. Jump jump jump. It's for them them. All for letter B. Letter B. Hey hey hey.
Kids, it is study time.
Hello everyone! Look what I have! Ta-da! It's a book. Come on! Chant with me! Pat the book! It's a book! It's a book! A book! A book! Louder! Super loud! Yay! Now let's put the book on the table. The book's on the table. On the table. Eyes on the board. Book. Listen to the first sound. B. 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 Watch my mouth. Lips close tight. Then pop like a tiny bubble. B. 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 Now, boat. It starts with B. 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 2. Everyone make bubble mouth. B. 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 Who can point to the boat super fast? Yes! B. B. Boat. Boy and girl. Quick question. Does boy start with B? B. Yes! Right. B. B. Boy. Girl. B. No. Super smart. Girls start with G. G. Girl, open your pupil's book. Turn to page 24. 24. Oh no, I'm wrong. No, this is not 24. This is 24. Wait, how do I write? I don't care now. These pictures are bag, boat, bird, book. We're going to listen to the book audio. When you hear the word, point super fast. Ready? Go!
Boat. Boat. B. Yes, boat. Table. Table. B. No. Girl. Girl. B. No. Boy. Boy. B. Yes, boy. Bag. Bag. B. Yes, bag. Crayon. Crayon. B. No. Book. Book. B. Yes, book. Bus. Bus. B. Yes, bus.
Okay, let's check our answers. Well done! Look at activities 2. Circle the words that start with B sound. Bubble mouth. Big X for the others. First one together. Table, not B. Big funny X. Now help your desk partner. Ready for the audio check. Table, no. Boat, yes. You circled perfectly. What color is this? What color is this? What color is this? Shout it high! Red! Louder! Blue! Wow! These 3 are primary colors. Our magic building blocks. Warm up. Color your bird. Everyone, draw a bird picture. And yellow, red, blue crayons. Okay, finished. Bluebirds, red, yellow. Show me. My bird is blue. So pretty. Magic mixing time. 要画的。Watch. Red. Red. Ooh. Paint. Yellow. It turns orange. Orange is this one. Let me see this one. Yellow and red make orange. clap and chant. Yellow plus red make orange. Red plus blue make purple. Yellow plus blue. Yellow plus blue, this light blue, equals green. Orange, purple, green, orange, purple, green are primary colors. Oh, wait, they are not primary colors. They are secondary colors. Made from Open page 25, Activity 1. We're watching the color magic video from the book. We're watching the color magic video from the book. When you hear a color, shout it out loud. Ready? Play the video! What?
Hello. Today we're talking about primary colours and secondary colours. First, let's find out about primary colours. There are 3 primary colours. This is red. Red is a primary colour. Look! This is a red pencil. This is blue. Blue is a primary colour. Look! This is a blue bag. This is yellow. Yellow is a primary colour. Look! This is a yellow bus. We can use the primary colours to make secondary colours. This is green. Green is a secondary colour. We make green from yellow and blue. Look! This is a green chair. This is orange. Orange is a secondary colour. We make orange from yellow and red. Look! This is an orange crayon. This is purple. Purple is a secondary colour. We make purple from red and blue. Look! This is a purple pencil. What beautiful colours! OK, I've got some questions for you. Look! This is a red bag. Is red a primary colour or a secondary colour?
A primary color.
That's right! It's a primary colour. Look! This is green. Is green a primary colour or a secondary colour?
A secondary color.
That's right! It's a secondary colour. We make green from yellow and blue. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye!
Bye. See you next time. Now draw a line. I think we'll listen.
1,
Purple. I know. It's blue and red. Yes, that's right. Well done. Purple's a secondary colour.
Hello.
2,
Orange. It's red and yellow. Yes, it is. Very good. Orange is a secondary colour.
3,
Now you. Green. Is it blue and yellow? Yes, it is. Well done. Green's a secondary colour.
Okay, let's check. Well done! Dun, 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 dun. Next page. Colors.
1,
Purple. I know. It's blue and red. Yes, that's right. Well done. Purple's a secondary colour.
2,
Orange. It's red and yellow. Yes, it is. Very good. Orange is a secondary colour.
3,
Now you. Green. Is it blue and yellow? Yes, it is. Well done. Green's a secondary colour.
Let's check. Well done! Dun, 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 dun. Okay, done! Dun, 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 dun. Check answers together. Crayon. Blue plus red equals purple. Pencil. Red plus yellow. Orange. Book. Yellow plus blue equals green, obviously. Amazing arts. Warm-up game. Primary or secondary? Wait, what is going on? Wait, oh! Warm-up game. Primary or secondary? Pick something from your desk. Yellow cup. Primary color. Your turn. Hold it up high and shout primary color or secondary color. Orange, secondary. Blue, oh right, orange eraser, secondary. Blue ruler, primary. Your color magic starts. Great job today. We rocked letter B and color mixing with our book audio. See you next time.
Kids, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.